Next on the list, ladies and gentlemen, is Tesla, and Tesla's up after hours, huge. I will be day trading this one bullish tomorrow morning at open. It's at 1460, and they announced a 5-for-1 split. That is amazing. That is incredible. I'm so excited it's happening, and this is the perfect time for this to occur. Perfect time for a split to happen. This will drive the stock price higher. I don't know how much and how aggressive it'll happen before the actual open of tomorrow morning. Again, I don't know how big it's going to get. First and foremost, congratulations. A lot of you played Tesla bullish today and won. Type in a 6 if I talked about it yesterday and said, hey guys, watch Tesla all day for some bullish day trade action. It was a great gap, and we had tons of traders play it, so congratulations. I mean, scroll through Slack, loads and loads and loads of traders made some money on Tesla today, and obviously we did not know that the split would be announced, but it did get announced, and it was a phenomenal bullish gap. We got a great reversal candle. It pulled right into the pre-market support, so this is the 5-minute chart. Pre-market support, it threw in a little bit of a high wave, lower shadow trap right here on Tesla, and that was it. That was a bounce. Brad played the high of the day break at 1470, and that worked out as well. Rob said he bought one more share of Tesla. I know Josh is in shares, Scott McKay, Greg Gilbert, Craig Levine, tons of people are in Tesla. So I'm super happy for you guys. For anyone who's in, it was a good day trade. I liked it. I'm very happy for those who traded it. And now at this point, let's do it again. If it opens above the high, Tesla will hit 1675 by Friday. Surprise, no one's requested Tesla yet. This is the best gap of the day. So, I don't know why you guys haven't wanted to look at Tesla, but Tesla is the best gap of the day, without question, and it's just absolutely splendid, incredibly perfect, amazing, amazing gap. So Tesla, get it. We're gonna be watching that one, playing that one bullish. And then Tesla. Simon says Pin's looking for a nice breakout. Right on. So again, Tesla not closing bearish at all on a 2-minute chart, usually a pretty good sign. You have a big giant hammer, so it's a very nice hammer. You still want a breakout of some bear selling. You still want some people selling this gap a little bit, at least even on some time frame. You did get a nice bear candle on the 1-minute, but again, if you're playing it bullish is the only direction that you need to be playing Tesla in. Do not be shorting this at all. Yep, make that official. And 1587 by 1560.82. New official day trade on Tesla. So again, just as a reminder, we lost the trade on Fastly. Got a bear. We'd have one bear set up and one bull set up.